Diving into the phrase, awash. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, awash. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and some interesting contexts where it's often employed. Awash has a nautical origin. Imagine a ship or boat so filled with water that the water is almost level with the deck or sides. That's when the ship or boat is described as being awash. It means that something is covered by water, especially when talking about something that's just above or at the level of the surface. For example, after the heavy rain, the streets were awash with water. Away from the seas and boats, awash has also taken on a figurative meaning in English. When something is awash with, in a metaphorical sense, it means it's flooded or filled with a large amount of something. Examples: the market is awash with cheap smartphones these days. The city was awash with tourists during the summer festival. In these examples, there isn't actual water involved. Instead, the phrase helps paint a picture of abundance or overflow of something other than water. When using awash, here are some points to keep in mind. It's often followed by with, e.g., the room was awash with light. While it can be used both literally and figuratively, the context will make it clear which meaning is intended. It's a descriptive term, so it helps in adding a vivid picture to your sentences. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of the phrase, awash. We hope this deep dive has been enlightening. The next time you come across this word, whether in a book, a news article, or even in conversation, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep exploring and enriching your vocabulary. Happy learning!